Hey guys, thanks for giving me an opportunity to share this system with you. We're going to do a no fluff, no frills video just to demonstrate how easy this system is to use. When you log into the system, you're going to log into a dashboard. And for our demonstration today, we're going to make a coupon. And these coupons are very powerful because they let you build your customer list. What they'll do is they'll allow you to collect names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, street addresses, even custom information. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is we're going to build click coupon. And if this is the first coupon in your system, you can just go ahead and start building. If you had other coupons out there, there would be a button that says add coupon. You would need to add a new coupon. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click first right here where it says select an image. And I've already got my images prepared. Now your image can come off of a phone. It can come off of clip art from the internet or stock images from the internet. It could be something you've already got on your computer. Just about any picture will do. With that said, I've selected my picture. I'm just going to click the open button, and you see my coupon is starting to take shape right now. The next thing I want to do is I want to give my coupon a title. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use my wife's hobby shop. She makes soap, so let's do a little coupon for her. And you're going to give your coupon a name. Now, you may want something a little bit more descriptive if you're going to do multiple coupons. If you name them all after your store, that's the way they're going to appear in the list. So you may want to come up with a little something more creative. But we're going to continue. Let's offer the customer some kind of a deal to give them an incentive to come in. So let's try that. Um, Okay, something simple like that. And again, this is my coupon, and you see I've offered the customer to save 15% off of the next purchase of $20 or more. Next, we got a redeem code. The redeem code is very important. The redeem code is like a secret code that the customer, uh, well, you're going to put it in for the customer in order for the coupon to be valid. If you have employees working for you, you can change this code daily. You can change it hourly. You can change it whenever you want. If you think you may have a problem with employees giving the code out to friends and family or things like that. If you're the only one who ever redeems the coupon, then if you don't want to change the code, you don't have to. Okay. Next, we're going to decide what information we want to collect from the customer. And we do that by just coming down here, and we can check off whatever we want to collect. Um, you see, we can get the name, the email address, the phone number, if you wanted street address, zip code, and this custom field here will allow you to collect any other information you want. For instance, you may want to collect birthdays or something like that. For my demo, I'm going to just collect name, email address, and phone number. The other thing you want to do is put an expiration date on your coupon. You want to give the customer a sense of urgency. If you never let the coupon expire, then the customer says, well, I can use this at any time. They're not in any hurry to come in and they forget they've got it. And then you feel like you're not getting anything out of the system because nobody's redeeming coupons. By putting an expiration date on the coupon, you're giving the customer a sense of urgency on, I've got to go in and use this before it expires. Um, so let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to have this coupon expire at 5 p.m. On November the 7th of 2019. This is a 24-hour clock. So after 12 noon, the next time is 1300 for 1 p.m., 1400 for 2 p.m., 1500 for 3 p.m., and so on and so forth. The next thing you want to do is put in your physical address so that the customer will be able to find your shop. We're just going to put in an address I'm familiar with. I'm from Birmingham, as you can tell. And you might see an error message down here. Don't worry about that. When you click OK, if that is a valid address, then that error will disappear and you won't see that again. What that does is this location, when we build our coupon, it's going to work with Google Maps so that when the customer clicks the link for that address, it's going to bring up a map that shows the customer where they are and where you're located and directions to get to you. So that's a really, really good feature. The next thing is you want to put in your phone number. I'm going to make up a phone number here. And when we build out our coupon, I'll show you there's a call button right here. And when the customer clicks that call button, it's going to dial whatever number you put here. Preferably, you're going to want to put in your store number or your business number so that they can talk to you. The website address is going to be the website address of your business. If you don't have a website address, this program allows you to create what's called a V-card, which is a virtual business card, or you can also create a one-page web page and link to that. We won't go over that right now. If you join the system and you want to use those features, I'll be glad to help you with that. So for right now, we're just going to put in a website address. And next we want to look at the button colors. Now, I like the button colors I'm using, but I'll show you just so you can know. If you wanted to change the color of your buttons, you would click Edit Button Colors. Click the button that you want to change, and you could then pick any color that you wanted to use. And just like that, you see the button change colors. I'm going to stick with the green since I kind of like the way that is. Both buttons work the same way, so you can change the colors. Again, I'm going to stay with the default. If you wanted to change any information like the labels on the button or the information, the text in the buttons, you could do that. I'm not going to change anything, so we're just going to click Add to create the coupon. And just like that, we've created our very first coupon, or the system is. And just a moment, we're going to be able to view that coupon. Okay, so let's take a look at the coupon. Let's go over to the little magnifying glass. And this is what the coupon looks like. Now remember that these coupons are mobile coupons. They're going to be viewed mostly on the phone. Now you can view them from a computer, but not many people are going to bring their computer into your store for the coupon. Most people are going to do this with their phone. And if you look at the coupon, there's our title. Here's our offer. Here's that address that I was telling you about. You see that my cursor goes to a link, and that links to Google Maps. And just to keep the video short, I'm not going to go through that right now, but when you put that in, it will give a map to your location. There's the redeem button. When the customer brings it into the store, they're going to click the redeem button, and that's when you're going to have to do a few things, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Here's a click to call. When the customer clicks this button, it's going to call whatever number you have programmed. The more button is going to take you to the website that is programmed in there, or whatever you've linked to that. You can link anything you want to that. Again, you could use the virtual business card, or you could use the one-page website. And then the share button. When the customer clicks share, they're able to share this with their friends on Facebook, Twitter, and email. Google Plus is no longer a valid option. Hopefully we'll get this upgraded soon to where it goes to Google My Business, and then we'll be able to link it to your business site on Google. But for right now, your customers can actually become your agents by sharing this on Facebook. So let's show you the redeem process. The next step is for the customer to click redeem. and they have to fill out this information before they can redeem this coupon. So I'm going to pause the video to save time, and I'll be right back. Okay, I filled out some just test information here, and if I was the customer in your store, I would hit redeem at this point, and this QR code comes in. At this point, they have instructions to keep this open until they get a confirmation. At this point, you will take your phone and you will scan this QR code with your phone, and then you will be able to put in your validation code. For this example, I think we used the word test in order to redeem the coupon. And give me just a second. I'm going to pause the video so that I can show you that in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to scan the customer code. And when I do, I get this form right here on my phone. And what I want to show you is down here is where I put in that redeem code. And when I put that redeem code in, this is what happens. The customer now has a coupon that has been successfully redeemed. So the final step is now I'm back on the coupon legend where I've created my coupon. And if I go to leads, there's the information I got from the customer. There's the customer's name, customer's email address, and phone number. If I had asked for any other information, it would be here as well. And this is how you build your customer list. So now you can reach out to this customer as often as you want with email, phone calls, text messages. You even could get their street address if you wanted, so that you can send them some more coupons, more offers, more deals. Give them other reasons to come in and shop with you. And this is how we're going to help you create repeat business over and over again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo, and I do hope that you will join up with us. We will be in touch. Thank you.